You want to sell online? Go to Wix.com today and do it like this guy.
Oh my God!
This is Asspizza. He's a 21-year-old designer who created his online store with Wix. He sold 4,000 items in just 24 hours. Yep, sold out. Every item, every single item. So go to Wix.com to create your online store. Let me show you how. Start from scratch or choose from hundreds of beautiful designer templates. Every part is completely customizable. Oh, that's perfect. Get your visitors' attention with eye-catching photos and videos. It's the best way to showcase your brand, and it really brings your site to life. Set up your online storefront any way you want and get paid online. Keep track of your inventory and manage your store with useful insights from your dashboard. Wix Chat lets you communicate on the go, and it's a great way to build customer relationships. You'll always be ready to catch leads and close sales. Now that's great service. To grow your business and stay ahead of the competition, Wix gives you a personalized, easy-to-follow SEO plan to get you found online. Use these and hundreds more features and apps to create an outstanding website. Go to Wix.com and get started today.